G'day. Thanks for joining Amanda and myself. We're going to take you on another adventure, this time out to FOGG Dam. Going by the map here, it's not far from Darwin at all. It's only about 45 minutes. Out of FOGG Dam you have lots of wildlife, lots of birds, so if you're a bird watcher, I couldn't recommend it highly enough. There are known to be about 200 different varieties of bird species out in the FOGG Dam area. You should take binoculars and a bird field guide if you go there, just I recommend this. It's important not to startle the birds. Don't get too close to them or their nests. You will see that we have brought out our drone. Amanda loves her Mavic 2, capturing amazing footage, displaying a lot of skill, especially in this vlog, capturing all the wetlands out there. Not only did we bring out both our drones, we brought out the Nikon P1000, which is an awesome camera for taking photos of birds and wildlife. It actually has a setting just for birds, so hopefully we can capture some good shots with that today. One of life's lessons that I've learnt is that it's not about the end destination, it's about the journey getting to that destination, about the memories you create and share with others. So I hope between Amanda and myself we can bring a little bit of this to you through our experiences and maybe even inspire one or two of you to get out there and get amongst it all. As much as the water looks really inviting and you want to jump in and cool off, don't. There are crocodiles in there, and also a high number of water pythons, would you believe? There are a few things you should be aware of, do's and don'ts. They are, take your rubbish with you and put it in the bin. Only stands to reason because it is such a beautiful part of our country. Stay on the marked roads and tracks. All cultural items and wildlife are protected. Pets are not permitted in the park, so leave old puppy and pussycat at home. Nets, traps and firearms are not permitted. Camping is not permitted. No fishing. And check your vehicle is not transporting pests like weeds and cane toads that may have stored away. Be smart. We're now leaving FOGG Dam. We've thoroughly enjoyed it, but we're just going to go and check out the surrounding areas of FOGG Dam in the countryside. Come with us. Here's a couple of facts about our water buffalo. They're not originally from Australia, they're actually imported from Indonesia. There was about 80 imported from Indonesia and some from India. back in about 1825 to 1843, as my memory serves me correctly. They're grown on to be a bit of a pest in the wetlands, especially in the NT. There's probably about 20 to 25,000 that are domestically raised. In addition to that, there's about 160,000 that are in the wild. First brought to Australia for their meat. We're in mango country, as you can see from this footage. Yes, we do experience warm weather up here, but it's a warm and humid climate, which is ideal for growing mango trees. There's probably about 150 plus hectares set aside for mango growing up here in the NT. And as you can see from this amazing bird eye view captured from our drone, it just stretches for miles and miles. Perfectly manicured, squared off trees, mango trees, as you can see. That's the end of yet another vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know Amanda and myself have enjoyed making it. So make sure you like, share and subscribe John's vlogs. And until next time, bye bye.